Microsoft just changed 3D model forever. They just released Trellis 2, a native and compact structure latency for 3D generation, basically an image to 3D model generator, and it's absolutely amazing. Check it out. As you saw in that video, they were able to put an input image and make a totally 3D image right there. It's an open source 4 billion parameter image or 3D model producing up to 1500 PBR textured assets built on native 3D VAEs with 16x special compression, delivering effective, scalable, and high fidelity asset generation. As you see in some of these 3D models, you see like input image where like have this image of the angel, and they have just a few different ones where like you even can do a 3D image of even different, like where they have like where it's like a mini island. You can make one of just even different character models where they have this somewhat mechanized Gundam where it has like weapons hanging off its shoulder. You have like even like trophies, which can really help with game assets and game development when it comes to, well, it can actually do these 3D assets and how this could be transported into a game or used in other ways. This just definitely speeds up a process. Think about it like this. We already have pretty decent image generators with Nano Banana. We even have ChatGPT that released their new image generator, which is kind of on par with Nano Banana Pro. But there's even freer tools, other tools like Midjourney, Ideogram, a lot of different other competitors out there in general. Even if you didn't want to use those, that could do these type of input images. And then you could use that AI output to make, well, a 3D model if you use Trellis 2. Not only that, they have total 3D asset reconstruction. So it's not kind of making the shell of the 3D model, it's making like actual reconstruction of what they think this would be. As you see here with like image of like, I think this is like type of image engine or some turbine, and you see that like reconstruction, the whole entire thing. It's not just the outward appearance, it's the middle and everything inside the interior as well. A whole reconstruction of the model. They even did that like Gundam, and even it did that for like potted plant to show you that like not just always a hollowed out figurine, it's an actual 3D reconstruction. And this is actually pretty cool because not only do they release this, but this is something that you can use on your own. You can use this in Hugging Face, which I already have, or they have a playground where you can play with this at, or they have some samples here where you see I was able to use this bust of Albert Einstein, an image of the bust, and create a real 3D image of it. Not only that, you can use some other images that you want to upload, but this literally takes less than 60 seconds, which is absolutely amazing. So if you are in the need for a 3D assets or anything like that, you should definitely check out Trellis 2. With that being said, your boy Dex Not Dexter out.